Look, over there! Wow! This place is amazing! I found it!
I found it!
Come on!
Wow! It's even better than you said it would be!
What is that? What is that? Hey! Are you okay? Come on! Wow! Look at that! Ah! This is an amazing place. I made it for everyone. Thank you. Welcome. All right, here we go. Yeah. Let's do this. Let's do this. Red, 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 red. Oh. Red, red. Yes. I think that fits here. Yeah, looks good.
Maybe a bit more room for the kitchen?
Good call.
And a curtain for the bed?
Yes, perfect.
All done.
Hold this for a second. Careful, slide it careful, slide it in. Perfect fit. I'm so tired. Me too, but it's worth it. Definitely. Isn't it wonderful here? It's even better than I imagined. All right. See you later. The fire's just right now. Good. Let's make something warm. Smells delicious. Just a little longer. Smells delicious. It will be soon. Look at all this fruit. This harvest was great. Yeah, it's perfect. Maybe we should have some meat too. Good idea. Smells so good. Wow, it's ready. I made this just for you. Wow, it looks amazing. This tea is delicious. I made it using the herbs from the forest. You always know how to make the best tea. We're finally here! It's so good to be home. Wow! Look at that! Hey! Over here! I see you! I think that's good for tonight. Welcome to our place. It's cozy, don't you think? We don't need a perfect place. We just need to build together.